Today is Sunday, December the 31st. It's the last day of 2023, and we are going to look today at Bitcoin US dollar from an Ichimoku Kinko Hyo perspective. So let's dive straight in. We're looking at the month chart at the moment, and what I can see is that we've recently had a crossover of Senkou span A over Senkou span B, so that is a bullish signal. What is also interesting to see is that if we consider that Kijun-sen is calculated over 26 periods, so that's the highest high plus the lowest low within the last 26 periods divided by 2, that is how Kijun-sen is calculated. So looking from that perspective, if I go back here, yeah, this covers 26 weeks, 26 candles, I should say, beg your pardon. So if I go here, yes, that represents 26 periods. Now, if you consider that what we're looking for is a Tenkan-sen crossover over Kijun-sen, this is likely to happen in the next 2 months or so, because at the moment, this level is here. Okay, and when we go to next month, it will be calculated on the basis of this, so quite significantly lower, and the month after that, lower still. So that means that I expect the Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen crossover to occur in March or February, March. So that would be a bullish sign, and that would mean, if that happens, that it could indeed go way up from here. Now, the other thing that is there to consider is this Fibonacci level. And what we've seen is that price is just about on the 50% Fibonacci level. Now, when you get this situation here, where it's tried to get over the 50%, but hasn't quite made it, there is a chance that the market is going to return to the trend, that the previous trend, which was basically this one. So what you could well see is that instead of it going up, it may go down from here back to about, well, quite a way down towards the 12,000. But that sounds a bit dramatic. It may not happen in a very short space of time, but there is a possibility when the price level is at a 50% Fibonacci that it could turn against us. So just be aware of that, because there are other slightly bearish signs here, and that is that Chikou span is still operating below price, and of course at the moment we've still got Kijun-sen set north of Tenkan-sen, which is also a little bit bearish. And of course price action has not gone out of the cloud. Price action is still very much occurring within this green cloud. Okay, so let's look at the week chart and see what we can learn from that. Okay, so on the week chart, we can see that we have got a nice green cloud. That's a bullish sign. We've got Tenkan-sen pointing up, and it is north of Kijun-sen. And we've got Chikou span north of price and out of the cloud. So these are all bullish signs. So purely looking at the week chart, that is fairly bullish. But again, of course, we are still subject to, or the price is still subject to this 50% Fibonacci level, which could be a concern. Clearly visible here on the week chart that has tried to break that, but it's fallen back in just below that 50% level just here, as you can see. Okay, let's now move to the day chart. Okay, and looking at the day chart, again, we have got a big, thick green cloud. We've got Tenkan-sen pointing upwards, and we've got Kijun-sen below Tenkan-sen, and we've still got Chikou-span north of price. Now, these are bullish signs, but as I said, you know, this Fibonacci level is still very much present also for the day chart, obviously. So that is the only concern that I have got at the moment, because if that were to trigger, we could well see a big down towards, well, really towards the low, say 12,000, 13,000, round about there. And that would be a little bit worrying, of course. So be aware of that. Make sure that you've got your stop losses set. And yeah, just be a little bit mindful. If it's going to break out of this area here, northwards, then we can expect it to go towards the 60,000. But at the moment, I'm 50-50 as to where it's going to go. Right, let me know whether you're long or short or flat in the market. I'd be interested to know where you got in and where you are at now. Let me know what you think, whether you think it's going to go downwards. And if so, how far down do you think it's going to go? Or if it goes upwards, where do you expect Bitcoin to go in 2024? Now, in 2023, we've seen 100% increase of the of Bitcoin value, which is really good news. And let's hope that 2024 is also going to be a good year for Bitcoin. But we'll have to see what happens. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'm happily, if you've got any questions, I happily help you with any questions that you may have. And in the meantime, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a very good 2024. Thank you for watching.